Welcome to our portable washing machines showdown. Today, we will be comparing two innovative products designed for convenience and efficiency in small living spaces. The Obila portable washing machine with a capacity of 15.8 liters, and the Sangukiro portable washing machine, which offers a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters. Both machines are perfect for those living in apartments, dorms, or traveling. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Obila portable washing machine offers 15.8 liters, making it suitable for small loads of laundry. On the other hand, the Sangukiro portable washing machine provides a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters. This minor difference can be significant for users who need to wash more items at once, making the Sangukiro a better option for those who prioritize capacity. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The Obila model is priced at $79.99, while the Sangukiro is more budget-friendly at $69.99. This $10 difference can make the Sangukiro a more appealing choice for cost-conscious consumers looking for a portable washing solution. Lastly, let's talk about noise levels. The Obila does not specify its noise output, which can be a concern for users in close living quarters. In contrast, the Sangukiro boasts a low noise level of 45 decibels, making it a quieter option for use in apartments or dorms. This feature can significantly enhance the user experience, especially in shared living spaces. In conclusion, both the Obila and Sangukiro portable washing machines offer great features for those in need of compact laundry solutions. However, the Sangukiro stands out with its larger capacity, lower price, and quieter operation. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.